Liam Mooncrawl. Hey, bud. Hi. Liam, what you doing? Oh, big boy. Big boy. Look at Liam. Go, Liam. Go, Liam. Go, 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 Liam. Go, Liam.
I know. That was a good break, Liam. You needed that, huh? Gonna run to the fridge. Yep, there it is. And there's the cabinet.
Liam, over here. Liam, don't. Good
Okay,
job.
check on what's in there. Good. And then keep shopping.
Say hey. Who's that?
Is that Buddha?
Buddha. Yay! I'm not showing it.
You didn't get that?
Liam, stand by yourself. Sam, move the chair. See if he can stand by himself. Liam.
You can't take it away from him more forward. Like that.